So my name's Bethan Thomas and I studied here at Cardiff and Vale College on the Public and Emergency Services HND course. Well, I came from a dancing background, which I'd actually studied contemporary and ballet for many years, with the intent that I was going to take that as a career. However, when the novelty wore off and I decided I didn't want to do dance anymore, I started to look into other options, what I'd be good at, where I could utilise my skills. And for me, I've always liked the medical route. I really liked the idea of becoming a paramedic. Well, there was two elements of the course. There's an academic side of the course and there's more of a practical side of the course as well. Coming from a background where I struggled a lot academically with dyslexia, I received a lot of support here at the college in terms of the academic side. I was able to access the skills centre and the tutors in particular was very supportive. And the course tutors as well was very supportive. As part of the academic side of the course, we studied management and leadership, crime and criminology, law and public policies. These were elements that I've never really been exposed to before, so it was quite daunting going into these areas. And then you've got the practical side of the course, which I really enjoyed a lot. I love being outdoors. We had the opportunity to do an expedition where we spent 24 hours in the field, go out, you learn orienteering skills, mountaineering skills, leadership and teamwork skills. And these are all things that will help you through general life as well, and they've really helped me in my current role. So we've actually had lots of opportunities during the course. At one point during the course, Welsh Ambulance Service came in and gave us a presentation, and that led us to having the opportunity to actually sign up with the Welsh Ambulance Service as a volunteer, community first responder. For me, in the future, I would like to become a paramedic one day. So this was a great opportunity for me to enhance my skills and get a good insight into what the Welsh Ambulance Service do. That was one aspect of the course I really enjoyed. And then alongside that, we had the Army Reserves come in and talk to us and give us a presentation where they'd take us through the process of signing up, what's to be expected during selection, take us through team tasks and tell you the opportunities you can have as a reserve soldier. And that was another thing that really drew my attention, and that actually led me to signing up to be an Army Reservist. I absolutely think the college has helped me achieve my goal. It was a great opportunity and experience for me being on the course. It gave me all of these skills to take me where I am today and have all these great opportunities working within the public service sector. Before I came to the college, as I said, I have had absolutely no insight to the public service sector. The college has provided me with skills and knowledge to enable me to be a part of the public service sector. Since being on the course, I've had the opportunity to work with the Welsh Ambulance Service, where I became a community first responder. I then got myself a job in the prison service where I was a prison officer. I learned so much about criminology. And then I also signed up to the Army Reservists, where I'm a combat medical technician, and this is now providing me with further skills so that one day in the future I can maybe become a paramedic, as that's where I'd like to be. And if it wasn't for the college course, I'd probably have never been open or had all of this access to the opportunities that I've been given now. So if you were looking to do a public service course at all now and maybe considering it or a bit apprehensive, I'd definitely give it a thought, because the opportunities it can provide you with, the knowledge, the skills, it's very good. And even if you came out of the course not wanting to join a public service sector, you're provided with skills that can get you through life every day, such as the leadership skills, the teamwork skills, communication and discipline. It's provided me with all these things. So even if I had never took the opportunity to become a part of the public service sector, it's provided me with skills I can carry out throughout my life.